Tired of captions that shift when you move an image? Learn the one-click trick to add perfect auto-numbered captions in Word. I will show you 4 simple steps. Right-click, insert caption, type your text, and click OK. Let us go. So here's the thing about adding captions in Word. Most people type them manually below the picture, and it looks great in the moment. But then you add another image or move that first one, and suddenly your caption is floating in the wrong place or the numbering is completely off. It is frustrating, and it wastes time fixing it each time. That is the problem this guide is built to solve. And I have learned this approach from working through real documents, step by step, so you can trust this method actually holds up when your document gets longer and more complex. All right, let us start with the actual image. Go ahead and click on the picture you want to caption. You need to have it selected first. That is important because Word needs to know which object the caption belongs to. So make sure you see those little square handles appear around the edge of your photo or illustration. That is your visual confirmation you are on the right track. Now, with the image selected, right-click on it. A menu will pop up. This is the context menu, and it is packed with options specific to pictures. Do not get distracted by all of them. You are looking for an option near the very bottom. Look carefully. You want the one that says Insert Caption. So, from that right-click menu, go ahead and click on Insert Caption. A new dialog box will open up, and this is where the magic really starts. This window is your control center for how the caption will look and behave. You will see a few things here. First, there is a label dropdown that probably says Figure by default. That is fine for most documents. It will automatically add the word figure and a number, like Figure 1. But here is a tip that shows the practical thinking behind this guide. You can change that label to table or equation if you're captioning something else. But for a picture, figure is exactly what you want. Word will automatically handle the numbering for you. So if you add a second image later and give it a caption, Word will call it Figure 2. No manual typing of numbers, it just works. Now for the actual text. In the box that says Caption, you will see Word has already written Figure 1 for you. Do not delete that part. You want to keep the auto-numbered label. Instead, click right after the number, add a space, and then type the description of your image. For example, you might type a space and then something like Aerial View of the Downtown Skyline. Your full caption will read Figure 1, Aerial View of the Downtown Skyline. Take your time with this. Make sure the text is clear and matches what the image is showing. This is the part that will help your readers understand what they are looking at. And here is the really important part. Before you finalize, take a quick look at the position dropdown in that dialog box. It usually says below selected item. That is exactly what you want for picture captions. It places the text right under the image automatically. If it ever gets switched to above, your caption will sit on top of the picture, which looks odd for most documents. So just double check that it says below. Now, once you have typed your description and confirmed the position, you are ready to finish. Click the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box. And just like that, Word inserts a professionally formatted, auto-numbered caption directly beneath your picture. It will be perfectly aligned and ready to go. If you later move that image somewhere else in the document, the caption moves with it. If you add another picture before it, Word automatically renumbers everything. It is hands-off and reliable. So from manually typing captions that break every time you edit your document, to automatically inserting professional numbered captions that stay with the image and update themselves. That is the transformation. And it takes just those 4 steps. Give it a try on your next document. You will wonder why you ever did it the hard way. Thanks for watching.